Hi viewers, you are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub.
In this lecture, we will differentiate between trial balance and balance sheet, bookkeeping and accounting, double entry system and single entry system, and learn to distinguish between capital receipts and revenue receipts. By the end of this lecture, you will gain a solid foundation of accounting basics. Difference between the trial balance and balance sheet. A trial balance is basically a list of balances in the ledger account. A balance sheet is a statement that shows the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity of an organization. Trail balance is used to check the arithmetical accuracy in recording and posting. The balance sheet is used to ascertain its financial position on a particular date.
The distinction between bookkeeping and accounting. 1. It is the recording phase of an accounting system. 1. It is the summarizing phase of an accounting system. 2. It is the basis of accounting. 2. It is the basis for business language. 3. Financial statements are not prepared from bookkeeping records. 3. Financial statements are prepared from accounting records. Difference between a double entry system and a single entry system. 1. Under this system, both aspects of each transaction are recorded. 1. Under this system, both aspects of each transaction are not recorded. 2. In this system, personal, real and nominal accounts are kept fully. 2. In this system, only personal accounts are kept. 3. Under this system, cash book, general ledger, debtors ledger and creditors ledger are maintained. 3. In this system, only debtors ledger and creditors ledger are kept. In some cases cash book is also kept. Capital receipts are not available for distribution as profits. Revenue receipts are available for distribution as profits only after deducting revenue expenses. Capital receipts cannot be utilized for creating a reserve fund. Revenue receipts can be utilized for creating a reserve fund after deducting revenue expenses.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.